Are you struggling with finances like millions of others around the world? We've got you covered. Ever wonder what it would be like to live a life free from financial worries? Understanding and mastering financial stability is key. This journey begins with building an emergency cushion, considering investments, improving your credit score, and smart debt repayment. Today, you'll learn how to take control of your finances and navigate your way to financial freedom. First step on your journey to financial freedom: building an emergency cushion. Think of it as a financial safety net, a stash of cash set aside for unforeseen expenses. Start small, perhaps with the cost of a week's groceries. Remember, an emergency fund is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Next, let's talk about growing your wealth through investing. Stocks and bonds are fertile grounds for wealth accumulation. Their sites and apps such as Robinhood, Weibull, and Sophie Active Invest. They're like seeds that once planted and nurtured can grow into a forest of financial freedom. Investing might seem intimidating, but it's a key step towards financial independence. You also can click the link in the description to Sophie Active Invest and get up to $1,000 in stocks when you open a new account. Also, do you know your credit score? It's time to find out and improve it. Your credit score is a measure of your financial trustworthiness. Boost it by paying bills on time, reducing outstanding debt, and avoiding new debt. A good credit score can open doors to better financial opportunities. Lastly, let's tackle the elephant in the room: your debt. It's crucial to prioritize your debts, focusing on high-interest ones first. Consider consolidating your debt for easier management. Remember, small, consistent payments can lead to big changes. Paying off your debt might seem tough, but with a smart strategy, it's doable. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight, but with these steps, you're on the right path. Remember, build a cushion, consider investments, improve your credit score, and smartly tackle your debt. Start this journey today. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Broke Minds Academy for life-changing inspiration.